Welcome to World in 2 Minutes. These are your headlines. The Turkish coastguard says a boat carrying refugees has capsized off the coast. At least 9 people have died as they try to make their way to Greece. Turkey is one of the main transit points for people crossing from Syria and Iraq into Europe. There are currently 2.2 million Syrian refugees in Turkey. Last year, more than 1 million asylum seekers crossed into Europe. The World Health Organization has set up a global response unit to deal with the outbreak of the birth defect that has been linked to the Zika virus. The organization says it'll be treating the virus as guilty until proven innocent. The WHO's Director General says there's an urgent need for international efforts to learn whether the virus caused microcephaly. The declaration opens up access to money and scientific resources worldwide. The organisation has warned it may take years before a vaccine for Zika is found. The King of Spain has met the leader of the Socialist Party, Pedro Sanchez. Spain hasn't had a government since the end of December, and King Felipe began negotiating with leaders of the main political parties last month. He proposed that acting Prime Minister Mariano Rajoy retains the post. But Rajoy didn't accept the nomination because he didn't have enough parliamentary support to win. His party has suggested Pedro Sanchez be nominated, but it's unclear whether Felipe plans to do so. At least 100,000 people are stranded at a train station in southern China. Snow and cold weather have delayed more than 20 trains. Many people in the country are traveling for the Lunar New Year on Monday. China expects nearly 3 billion people to travel during this year's holiday period. Thanks for watching. TRTworld.com, Istanbul.